to learn about this kanji. This kanji reading of the onyomi is say K-E or K, and the kunyomi Heru, Tatsu. This kanji have two sounds in kunyomi, Heru or Tatsu, which had the meaning of longitude or pasture or aspire or web. Longitude, pasture, aspire or web. Now let's see some sample of how to use the kanji of K. Keizai. Keizai is mean economies, business, finance, economy. Economies, business, finance. KA is mean management, administration, operation, running a business. They say KA. KE have the meaning of the past, but A is mean you sell and buy something. So when you put these two kanjis together, it has the meaning of management, because it has the path, the long way, and have to buy something, sell something. So it means management or administration or operation or running a business. They say KA. The next, K-Leki. K-Leki is mean personal history or career. Personal history or career. K is mean the long path, right? As you see, it mean the long path. Leki is mean the history or history of someone or the country or anything. They can say Leki. So when you put the K Leki, it means long history. So you can say with a person know his story or career. What did you pass? Something like this. The next, Heru. Heru is mean to pass, to elapse, to go by, to pass through, go through, or to experience. Heru. Tatsu is mean to pass of time or to elapse. As I explained that the kanji of K, it means to pass or to experience something, right? So when you use with another kanji, you have the meaning of the history or experience, something like this. Shinke is mean nervous or sensitivity.